Welcome. If your X feed feels a bit too noisy or packed with posts you'd rather not see, there's an easy way to clean it up. In this video, you'll learn how to mute accounts directly from posts on XWeb using the latest update. This simple feature helps you keep your timeline more focused on what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can make changes to your feed. Once you're logged in, scroll through your timeline as you normally would. Find the post from the account you want to mute. When you found that post, look to the upper right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots. This is the options menu for that specific post. Click on those 3 dots and a menu will appear with several choices for managing that content. From this menu, simply select mute. After you click mute, X will instantly silence that account from appearing in your feed. You'll no longer see posts from that account, even if others you follow interact with them. It's a clean and effective way to declutter your experience without needing to unfollow or block anyone. This new update makes the mute option easier to access right from the post itself, saving you from digging through settings or visiting someone's profile. It's perfect for keeping your feed positive and distraction-free, especially if you're trying to follow topics instead of people. Remember, muting is completely private. The person or account you mute will never know you've done it. You can always change your mind later by visiting your muted accounts list in your X settings and unmuting them with a single click. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can take full control of your X feed on PC. Keep your timeline clean, focused, and free from unwanted noise so you always enjoy scrolling through content that truly interests you.